Queen West is one of the trendiest streets in Toronto. Tons of shops, restaurants, bars, nightlife. You get a lot of hipsters, get a lot of cocktail bars. So it's the ideal area for a young person who really enjoys getting out. The building used to be a toy factory and it was converted to commercial space in 1989 and then officially turned over into condos or loft space in 1991. Roger lives outside of the city with his family in Stratford, Ontario, and he works in the TV and film industry. So he often travels to Toronto for projects and contracts, and he needed a space where he can crash basically when he's here and not spend the money on a hotel or an Airbnb. I think he fell in love with it because of the authenticity of the building, the exposed brick and beam and original hardwood floors, the large windows that are south-facing, tons of natural light, and obviously the location. So ceilings are 11 feet tall. Square footage, we're just over 450 square feet in this unit. One thing about this building that people love, again, is the exposed brick and beam and natural light. The original hardwood floors and the sandblasted ceilings is key. A lot of the units are very open concept, so if you wanted to build something, like in this space, my client built the loft style bed. He wanted a little bit of work from home space, so that's why he built the elevated bed. It gave him that additional space where he could set up an office underneath and have a bedroom feel. He also built some additional storage, which is what he needed at the time. Put in the sliding door, which is great, added some storage, just divided things a little bit so he could, put things away like a broom or a mop and not have it just out in the open. So you can really configure it however you want to work for you. You actually really have to fall in love with the uniqueness of this type of a building because there are inevitably some downfalls, which is you're not going to get the same amount of amenities that you would in a condo building. There's no dishwasher in this home. The washer dryer is a combo unit, obviously, to maximize on space. But he's got a decent amount of storage for the small space that he has, and I think it definitely works for the right person. I think this home's ideal for either the first-time home buyer, somebody who's commuting into the city and only needs the space part-time so they don't have all their stuff here. Really, you don't need to have a stocked fridge. You're not cooking a 4-course meal for 10 people here. You might have a friend over and order Uber Eats or have one meal here, but you're really walking to the closest restaurants, bars. You have to be outgoing. You have to really appreciate the space for what it is. You have to be wanting to climb a ladder to get into your bed at night, which is funky and great for some people, but not conducive to others. Definitely not suitable for a family. It's just really nice to see something unique. We walk into so many condo spaces that look exactly the same, a box in the sky, and truly you could be in any building. It's got a special feel to it, and there's a really great community in this building in a really nice part of Toronto.